Hey guys, and welcome back to Living Life with Lawn. Excited about today's video because it is taking part in the DIY Mommy Christmas DIY and Decor Challenge. I'd like to give a special thanks to Christina for hosting this DIY challenge. So what that means is that this video is part of a playlist with other creators that I will link in the description box below. Definitely want to go and check out that playlist and support the other YouTubers here on this platform. So you don't want to miss this video. You definitely want to watch the end so you can see how I transformed 3 DIY projects into Christmas decor on a budget. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Shalonda. I love creating DIY videos on a budget. And if this is your first time stopping by, I hope that you would consider subscribing if you like what you see in today's video. And for those of you who've already subscribed to Living Life with Lawn, thanks for returning for another video. Okay, so first we're going to go in with a piece of scrapbook paper from Hobby Lobby and a Dollar Tree Christmas tree. Next I'm going to just trace around the Christmas tree because I want to adhere this paper to the tree. So going in, cutting that out, and then applying Mod Podge to the scrapbook paper, and then I applied it to the Christmas tree. And then to seal my project, I applied a thin coat of Mod Podge over the top of the scrapbooking paper. And using some tower blocks that I had here on hand, I used 4 of those, put those together to make a longer piece of wood so the Christmas tree could stand up. So using a damp paper towel, and I just blotted it in some brown paint, and I distressed the edges of the Christmas tree. And next I went in with some berry garland from the Dollar Tree and I wrapped that around. I did not glue this down because I felt like I may use this in another project, so I kind of just cut the ends once I finished and bent them with the wire. So after seeing the finished tree, I added a little extra detail to the bottom by wrapping some jute twine. Next, you're going to need a Dollar Tree frame and a piece of wrapping paper. You want to take the frame apart and you want to trace around the glass piece. When deciding where to place the glass frame, I just chose an area where it appeared that I would get the best wording. The cool thing about this is that you can use any type of wrapping paper for this project. Putting that back together, and this is what you have. I think it makes a great addition to my 3-tiered tray. I will put that in the cards above if you'd like to see how I made that tray. Next, I'm going to go in with the Merry sign from the Dollar Tree. Now guys, I decided to paint this, but this project was like, this wood is very thirsty, so it took me about 3 coats. Brown and white mix to make the antlers for my deer. And I kind of wanted to do a Rudolph theme, so I found some little berries that were attached to a pick that I got from the Dollar Tree. If you know how to paint, you can do this sign as well. Like I said before, you can use scrapbook paper if you like. Just trace around the letters and cut it out and use Mod Podge to put it on. For my final project, I used 2 of the Be Grateful signs. I hot glued those together and applied 2 coats of Waverly white chalk paint. I then grabbed my Dollar Tree letters and I spelled out saying peace on earth. Here's where I would recommend that you stop, apply some Mod Podge, and then embellish with a bow, some greenery picks. Basically, long story short, as I went to pull off my letters, I don't know if they just, the white chalk paint underneath wasn't very dry or not, but it left a lot of adhesive letters. You can't really see it in the video here, but when you see that I do the wash over, you'll be able to see the imperfections that it made. But I went ahead and went over with the black wash water, kind of just like water and what was left in my paintbrush to kind of fix the project, and this is what it turned out to be. So I think it turned out okay, but I'm gonna let you guys comment below to tell me whether or not I was able to salvage this project. I topped it off with some burlap, polka dotted ribbon, and some picks that I got from the Dollar Tree. So guys, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram at livinglifewithlon_. Hope that you were inspired to create one of these DIYs. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.